Welcome to Midnight Linux. Well, today we're gonna take a look at the Omarchy again. We got we got Steam installed. We got some videos, how it plays back videos, and so let's look at first. I think we should take a look at the Hollow Knight recording, because it was something I was curious about, because this is Wayland and it's a different desktop environment. So yeah, let's take a look at that. One more thing that I forgot in the last video, because everything is so automatic on this distribution, was how to do a update to the system, because you can probably do it through your terminal like normal, but Omarchy, I just wanted to show you guys, if you do a super alt space, there is an update button right there, and then you just click on update Omarchy, and it will do it for you really quickly through there. Of course, if you want to do the terminal, it should work. I didn't really try it, but if I have any issues with that, I will let you know. It shouldn't be a problem. I'm sure that the sudo pacman dash capital S and lowercase yu will work for this distribution, just like it does for the other Arch distributions. But if I do run into a problem, I'll let you know, because this is very customized. Everything is so customized and curated. Like, there's not, like we were talking about in the last video, you don't have all the packages available to you. Like when I tried to install the music player Clementine or Strawberry, it wouldn't show up and it wouldn't install. So there are some things with this distribution that are different. You can't just think that everything is gonna work like an Arch distribution would. You gotta remember, this is very curated and customized. So, but I will let you guys know if there's any issues. But that's how the way that Omarchy is updated. I totally forgot to show you guys in the last video. So yeah, let's go back here to taking a look at a Hollow Knight recording. We'll play it, and I'm sure it'll play just fine, because it played fine in the other distributions. I didn't have any problems with playing games. It was just the recordings were choppy when they were on Wayland. Well, it was Gnome and Wayland, and then we tried I think Gnome, no, XFCE and X11. So you guys saw that. It's just been kind of like interesting to see. So now that we have a different desktop, well, this is not really a desktop environment, it's called a window manager. So now that we have something different with Wayland here, it might be different. We might get a good recording, and that's kind of what I want to see. because Hyperland is a much more lightweight um, way of running your Linux that it might record perfectly. So here it is. Let's take a look at Hollow Knight and see how it goes. Okay, it looked better. Maybe it's not Wayland. This was much more normal. Like it played normal, and it also looks normal on the recording. So maybe this is a desktop environment problem that is plaguing OBS recordings. So this is a interesting find. It was really, really, really good. I'm gonna say that Omarchy has impressed me. Now I'm gonna to show you guys a couple of things that I ran into when setting up Steam. Just if you guys are gonna try it, gaming on Omarchy. I first went into the install right here, install, and then I went down into gaming, right, and then you had to install Steam there. I first did that, and that didn't work for me. I couldn't start a game. It was very strange. It's like it was missing something in default settings. So what I did, just right click on your game, go to configuration, and then compatibility and just check force compatibility pro in the latest Proton, and then it worked. For some reason, the default, which usually works on many systems, did not work on Omarchy. So you guys, I think I also showed you how to do that in one of the other videos that I made about Catchy. So if you guys want to catch the Catchy game install one, I think it's either day 2 or something like that. You guys can see how you go ahead and change the compatibility. It's basically picking the wine system that you want to use, and then it worked. So my joystick worked. I got an 8-bit though, and it worked fine. But so far, it's been a interesting experience here with Omarchy. I also want to try. I got videos on the player MPV that it comes with, so I can watch videos. But when I tried to change the default player to SM player, which I like, SM player, it looks like it has a issue with the Hyperland because it errors out. So that's something that I wasn't expecting, but it errors out SM player. So I don't know. I was trying to figure out a fix by looking at the logs, but I'm not sure that it's gonna be an easy fix. So you might have to live with MPV for your video player. It's not bad though. I mean, MPV works, and you can customize it quite a bit. It's just it's very bland. So, but it kind of goes with this aesthetic, of a minimalist desktop environment. So I guess it's not. Most people probably would prefer MPV. It's just my preference is SM player for my videos, because there's a few things that I do set up that I like when I watch videos on my computer, but it's just something to be aware of. So for the next video, we might try a different distribution, unless I can see something else to cover on Omarchy, because I'm gonna be playing with it for the next few days, and if I do see some interesting things that maybe you guys need to know, I'll make a day 3 video for Omarchy. Otherwise, we might just be on a different distribution. I don't know which one though. So if you guys have any ideas, please comment down below. And yeah, we'll enjoy this for a few days, and then will surprise you on the next video.